Happy Friday, everyone. It is Miss Balsarac, and we are going to go over our social studies graded assignment for the week. So, as always, you should be logged into Google Classroom. You're going to go into classwork. We are in week 5. Then we're going to scroll on down to our social studies graded assignment. We have all the directions listed here. So, first, what you're going to need to do is watch this short YouTube video about the 7 aspects of culture to learn more. And then what we're going to do is we're going to log into Newsela using your Google account. Make sure you're always logging in with your Google account, okay? Then when you get into Newsela, you're going to read these 2 articles about medieval era cookbooks and then about pop-up dinners with an immigrant twist. So read these articles, and this is what's going to help you with your assignment. Using those 2 articles, you're going to log into the Google Doc, and you are going to have to read the 2 articles, and then you're going to have to complete this little T-chart about the similarities and the differences, okay? So what was the same between both the articles and what was something different between both of the articles, okay? Make sure you try your best and try to get all 10. If you can't get all 10, find as many as you possibly can. And then when you're done with this, you can just share it with me, or you can go ahead and just turn the assignment in when you are done. And that is all you have to do for your social studies graded assignment for the week. If you have any questions at all, please don't be afraid to ask, and I hope you all have a great weekend.